Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Beautiful. My name is Archana, and if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel already, please take a moment to do that right now, and then let's get right into the video. So in today's video, I am going to swatch and apply all the lipsticks that I got in a recent haul. So these are a mix of lipsticks. 4 of them are from Wet n Wild, 1 is from Blue Heaven, and I also have a lip gloss that is from Wet n Wild again. So 3 of the lipsticks from Wet n Wild are their silk finish lipsticks, and these cost only 67 rupees each. So this shade is called Blushing Bali. It's kind of a nude shade. Then there is a red shade that is called Cherry Frost, and then there is this another shade called What's Up Doc, and that is this orangey kind of a shade. So these 3 are the silk finish lipsticks. Let me show that to you a little bit properly. These are the 3 shades that I'm talking about, and let's swatch these one by one. So this shade is Blushing Bali. That looks like a beautiful shade. I have been in the need for nudes, and I think that is going to be beautiful. Wow, this is an amazing red lip, and that's obviously going to look different on my lips. This is an orangey shade. I don't know if I am going to like it or not. I might have thought that this is a different kind of a shade, maybe a pinkish or something. That is why I ordered it. Normally I wouldn't have ordered if I thought that it was an orange shade. And then there is this shade again. This is called Sea of Sand. This is from Wet n Wild again. This is a nude. So I don't think I have this kind of a nude, and I don't know if I'm going to like it, because after swatching it on my skin tone, I'm not very sure if it's going to look good, but we will find out soon. And then there is this shade called Hazelnut from Blue Heaven. This is their Longwear lip color, and I don't know if you'll be able to see from here, so I think I'll show it like this. This is the shade Hazelnut, and let's see how it swatches on my hand. Yeah, that looks beautiful. That does look beautiful. I think I'm going to enjoy that shade. And then there is a gloss from Wet n Wild. I had actually thought that this is a transparent kind of a gloss. I wanted a transparent shade, but this is more peachy. But that's actually not, that actually does look like a transparent gloss. I don't think that is showing up any color at all. I don't think there is any, although there's a lot of fragrance to it. It's heavily perfumed, but I don't think there is any color to it. So let me just remove the lipstick that I'm wearing right now, and then we will go into each shade one by one. So I'm going to start with my least favorite shade, that is this orange color. It's called What's Up Doc. This is a very bright orange. It's not a very smooth kind of a lipstick. It is settling into the lines of my lips. As I said, not my favorite shade, and I don't think I'm going to reach for it a lot, but for a change I might just like apply this lipstick once in a while if I just get bored of other things. But this is not the shade that I will reach for a lot. Fluorescent kind of an orange is what this is. So if you are one of those people who likes these kind of orange shades, you can definitely go ahead and try this, because I don't think it looked this orange on screen. So I think this is not something that I'm going to reach for. And let's remove this to try the next one. It doesn't feel very hydrating. It does feel a little chalky. And then I'm going to apply this nude shade Sea of Sand, which I think is not going to look great on my skin tone. So, oh my god, this is not the kind of nude that I want. This shade is definitely not for me. I don't even need to say anything. I think I'll just give away this shade to somebody. This is not something that I will try again. Never ever. The orange is something that I can still live with. But this is a strict no from me. So I can't even stand my own face. I hate this shade on me. I'm sure it'll look great on a lot of people, but I just look horrible with this shade on. I didn't even feel like completely applying it. I'm looking that bad. So that's a no. And then I am going to apply this shade Blushing Bali. Now I just hope that this is a better shade for me. And it does look like a better shade. I don't know if this is going to be long lasting because this is quite creamy. The finish, the feel, everything is much better. I feel this one, the formulation also might be different. Maybe it's the colors that are making the difference, but this is perfumed. I don't know what this fragrance is, but I've had this fragrance in a lot of lipsticks before. This is something that I will definitely use again. So this was Blushing Bali, and this is not bad at all. I'm really curious to see how the red is going to be. This is not bad at all. This is like a normal lipstick. This is not looking like it is settling in the lines. This is hydrating. The orange was definitely, like, you could see a different shade of orange in the lines of my lips and a different shade where there are no lines, but this is nice. Alright, so the last shade from the Wet n Wild Silk Finish lipsticks. These lipsticks are very, very creamy. That's not bad. Although this is giving a very metallic kind of a shine, and I would have liked it if it did not shine like that. But this doesn't look bad at all. And this is in that reddish, maroonish kind of a shade. So this is something that I will keep and I will use it again for sure. Sea of Sand. Let me just see how. Okay, so this is just their Mega Last lip color. This is not their silk finish. This is Wet n Wild Mega Last Lip Color Sea of Sand, and this is more expensive. This is 148 rupees. All the other three lipsticks, the silk finish ones, are 67 rupees each. So this is not for me for sure, and this is going. Yeah, on top of this, I'll just apply the Glassy Gloss lip gloss and see how that is. It comes out as a very peachy kind of a shade. In the tube also it looks very peachy, but when I swatched it, it did not look like it was peach. It was just shiny. That's nice. So I think it just has some micro glitter kind of a thing inside. And that is what is shining. This also has a little bit of fragrance to it. It's not fragrance free, but it's not that strong as well. So I like the gloss. It's not very thick, it's not very thin, and it has very slightly added a nice glittery kind of a shine to the lipstick, and I like that. I like this gloss. So this gloss, I'm going to use it more and more, and this is called This Too Shall Glass. So that's the shade name. And I also had ordered this Wet n Wild Pout and Love lip balm. This is in the shade Love. I've already used it, but I'll still show you the swatch, and I will still show you how this wears on my lips. So that's the shade, and I was hoping for a more, not this kind of a hot pink kind of a shade, but it's not that bad. The first time I used it, I did not like it at all, but over a period of time, so the lipstick is leaving a stain, which means that I think it's going to be a long lasting lipstick as well. So I'll show you the lip balm as well. So that's the shade. I did not like it the first time, and right now I think because it's being applied on a stain that was already there, the exact color is not coming out from the lip balm. It's a shade darker than what it actually is, but this is also over a period of time. I think I just got used to it, and it's not looking that bad. So that's it. It does moisturize, but it doesn't have that very extremely moisturizing and balmy kind of feel to it. So this is more like a creamy lipstick for me. This is not a lip balm tinted lip balm. The last shade, this Blue Heaven lip color in the shade Hazelnut. Let me guess. I like these type of colors, so from the beginning I knew that I'm going to like this shade. It has a fragrance to it, which I'm not very particular about my products not being fragranced. So it's okay for me, but if you are very sensitive to perfumed products, maybe all these are not for you. I like the shade, and this is a long-lasting lip color. So I think I'm just going to leave this lip shade on. That's the reason why I tried it at the last, because I knew I'm going to like this shade. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Do give it a thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you get notifications for all my future videos. And have a great day and a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you again very soon in another cruelty free video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.